It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Hi, my name is Jean from The Artful Parent, and I believe that creativity starts at home. And with this series, I'm going to introduce you to some easy and fun art activities that you can do with your family from the comfort of your own home. Let's create! So let's gather our materials. The materials you'll need for painting with marbles are a baking dish with sides, some art paper or sturdy paper, a tempera paint, marbles, spoons, and small dishes to hold the tempera paint in. First, coat your marbles with paint. Then move them to your paper. You can use a spoon to move them from the paint cup over to your paper. And you can do one color to begin with, or two or three, it's up to you. Then lift up the baking dish and hold it with both hands, one on either side of the baking dish, and tilt it back and forth and all around to move the marbles around the paper. When you're finished, remove the marble painting and set it aside to dry, and then get a fresh sheet of paper and make another painting. You can use different combinations of colors or try for specific designs. You can experiment with different colors of paper, different colors of paint, different numbers of marbles. You can also do this on a large scale with a big box, larger piece of paper, or poster board, as we did in this case, and someone to make the marble painting with you. You can both lift up the box together, each holding a different side, and tilt the box back and forth, moving the marbles around together, working together to create a collaborative painting. I hope you enjoy this art activity. It's one that you can do over and over, as many times as you like, in different ways, different colors, different sizes.